KUB region. Why plain X-ray? Because there is no presence of any contrast media. And KUB region, এখানে KUB region কথাটা show করা আছে, মানে kidney, ureter, bladder region. So what are the structure we can find out in this region or in this X-ray? That is the shadow of soft and hard tissue structure. In the hard tissue structure, we can find out the vertebral column lies centrally, and this is the shadow of the both hip bones. Okay, and there is also presence of shadow of some ribs. And what is this? And in the soft tissue, if there is any no problem, so there will be find out no soft tissue finding we can get from this X-ray. Just look at that, there is some black shadow. This is because of the presence of gas within the colonic cavity, that means within the colon. Okay, and what is this? This is the body of the vertebra, lumbar vertebra, and this is the spine of this vertebra, and this is intervertebral disc in this position, that means in between adjacent two vertebra. Okay, and what is this? This is the whole sacrum. Look at that, this is the outline of the sacrum. This is sacral promontory, and this is the ala of the sacrum. ঠিক আছে, এটা হচ্ছে ala of the sacrum. And look at that, this is the sacroiliac joint. This is the hip bone, sacroiliac joint. And what is this? This is the acetabulum of the hip bone, and this is the head of the femur, and this is the upper end of the femur. Okay, and in here there is presence of the joints, that is symphysis pubis. So এখানে আপাতত এই জিনিসগুলোই দেখা যায়। তোমাদের আরেকটা এক্সরে আছে, এই এক্সরেটা তোমাদের ইনফেরিয়র এক্সট্রিমিটির সময়ও ছিল। এখানে বলবো লেখাই আছে, this is the X-ray of the, this is the plain X-ray, this is the plain X-ray of pelvis with both hip joints, anterior posterior view. Look at that, there is AP in capital letter, AP already written here, that means anterior posterior view. So what are the structure we can find out in this X-ray? Look at that, we can find out the impression of the hard and soft tissue structure. In the hard tissue structure, that is centrally the vertebral column present, and that is the outline of the sacrum. Look at that, that is the coccyx, and this is the both sided hip bone. Okay, both sided hip bone. This is sacral promontory and ala of the sacrum. And what is this? Look at that, there is presence of an outline, that is sacroiliac joint. Okay, sacroiliac joint. And what is this? এটা হচ্ছে তোমার আমরা যে জিজ্ঞেসটা করি, এটা হচ্ছে মিডিয়াল বর্ডার তো নেমে গেল, ওই যে আর্কুয়েট লাইন, ইলিওপিউবিক এমিনেন্স, পেকটিনেট লাইন। And what is this? This is the pubic symphysis, obturator foramen, and that is the ischial tuberosity, acetabulum, where the head of the femur get inserted or come in close to make a hip joint. Okay, so that is the structure. This is the pelvic cavity, and that is the pelvic cavity. And look at the তোমাদের question করবে, what is this? This is the body of the lumbar vertebra, তারপর এটা কি? এটা হচ্ছে iliac crest, ওকে। এই যে গ্রেটার সায়াটিক নচ, আর এখানে ছোট করে দেখা যায় লেজার সায়াটিক নচ, greater and lesser sciatic notch. That's all.